You did everything right. You went to bed on time. You didn't scroll on your phone before bed. You got a solid 8 hours of sleep. So why? Why do you feel so bad in the morning? You're groggy, disoriented, and completely exhausted whenever you wake up. The golden rule of 8 hours a night says you should be feeling rested, right? Well, maybe this rule isn't as golden as we thought. Sleep isn't just one continuous block of unconsciousness. It's a dynamic process made up of cycles. A typical sleep cycle lasts roughly 90 minutes. During this 90-minute window, your brain moves through several stages. You start in light sleep, plunge into deep sleep, and finally enter REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, which is when you dream. Once a 90-minute cycle is complete, your brain goes back into light sleep, and the whole cycle starts all over again. So here's where the 8-hour trap gets you. If you sleep for exactly 8 hours, your alarm is very likely going off right in the middle of a sleep cycle, often in the deep sleep phase. When you are woken up out of deep sleep, your brain experiences something called sleep inertia. This is basically the heavy brain fog feeling that can take hours to shake off. You can sleep for 9, 10, or even 11 hours, but if your alarm pulls you out of deep sleep, you will still end up feeling terrible in the morning. So, what's the fix? It's simple. Wake up at the end of a 90-minute cycle. When a cycle ends, your body is already in a natural, light stage of sleep, making it infinitely easier to wake up feeling alert and energized. Instead of aiming for 8 hours, try planning your sleep in multiples of 90 minutes. For example, aim for 7.5 hours, which is exactly 5 complete sleep cycles. If you're short on time, even 6 hours, which is 4 complete sleep cycles, can actually leave you feeling more refreshed than 7 or 8 hours of interrupted, fragmented sleep. So the next time you need to wake up at 7 a.m., count backwards in 90-minute blocks. To get 5 full cycles, or 7.5 hours, you'd want to actually fall asleep by 11:30 p.m. Add about 15 minutes to allow yourself to drift off, meaning lights out at 11:15 p.m. Everybody's biological clock varies slightly, but if you're tired of waking up exhausted, ditch the 8-hour rule and start thinking in 90-minute cycles. Remember, how you sleep matters way more than how long you sleep. That's the key to better sleep.